Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish Cuisine. Aaloo Matar Timatar is a classic dish prepared with potatoes and peas. It goes well not only with roti, paratha or naan but also with zira rice or plain boiled rice. There are a number of popular vegetarian recipes, but Aaloo Matar is probably the most commonly prepared one. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So for this recipe, things we need will be some cubed potatoes. I have some frozen peas, you can use fresh as well, sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste, salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds, turmeric and some coriander powder. And then I'll be using some oil. So let's go and start cooking. So first heat pan, then add some oil. Then add your sliced onion, just mix and start cooking your onion until they start to caramelize. So we don't want onions to change their color, we just want onion just to start getting that goldenish brown color. Then add your cumin seeds, mix, don't let the cumin burn at this point, and then immediately add your chopped tomatoes. Let the tomatoes sizzle for like around 30 seconds to a minute. And then add your ginger and garlic paste in there, mix and let it cook again for almost a minute, and then add your remaining seasonings: salt, red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder, and then mix and let it cook for another minute. All the seasoning will be combined with the onions and tomatoes, and then I added some water because I don't want my masalas to get burnt with the heat. So just mix everything and then cover and let this mixture cook on low flame until tomatoes are soft and oil comes on top. So after good 5 to 10 minutes, just open up the lid, and here you can see the oil is on top. When you mix, you will see the tomatoes are tender and soft, and you're not feeling any raw masala's aroma. So now add your cubed potatoes and then mix again until potatoes are completely covered with your cooked gravy, and then cover and start cooking on low flame. So after a while, just open up the lid, and here you can see the potatoes are cooking, but they are not completely done. So just mix again, and if you think that they need some water, so just add like around quarter cup to half cup of water. But here you can see I have enough liquid, so I haven't added any at this point, but I added my peas. So here goes my peas in there. Just mix everything until everything is combined and coat it with the cooked gravy, and then start cooking covered on low flame until potatoes and peas are completely tender. So this dish is not supposed to be dry, so make sure you have enough gravy, as here you can see my potatoes and peas are tender. Don't overcook them, they're gonna be mushy. And then I have a little bit of extra liquid as well. So just dish out. I sprinkle some garam masala and some chopped cilantro. I'm sure most of you have heard or know about Aloo Matar. It's very simple to make, yet very satisfying. I encourage you to make this gravy at least once. You will be hooked, that I'm sure. I'm eating this since my childhood, and I've learned this recipe from my mom. And every family has its own way of cooking, but this recipe is pretty simple with full of flavors and goodness. And if you try this at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family. And don't forget to check my previous videos.